Hi guys, this is Julie from Julie's Wig World. Thanks for joining me. Today I have something a little bit different. I have 3 wigs with bangs that are going to be put in summer updos, and they're wigs that perhaps you are not usually used to having in an updo. But when you get a bit creative, anything is possible. So here's number 1. This is Editor's Pick by Raquel Welch in the colour Shaded Biscuit. I think she's very sassy, very sexy. You can dress her up with a different coloured flower, a black one or a red one. So it's up to you. And in a lot of ways, the messier you make this, the better. And the messy updos are really in at the moment. So really experiment, have fun. Don't be afraid. If it doesn't work, take it out and try again. But I have to say this was really very easy to achieve. And she has her bangs. So you can pop the tendrils out around the face. But either way, it's a great idea for those hot summer days. I wonder what this wig is. This is Miranda by Jon Renau in the colour Venice Blonde. A very different way of looking at Miranda. Miranda is normally a little bit too hot to wear on those really hot summer days because she is shoulder length and below at the back of the neck. But this is a really great way to get extra use out of Miranda and a very, very easy updo. So all I've done is taken the front part, I've left a little bit out around the edges, just pulled that back, put it into a black clip, and then the remainder of the hair I have twisted almost like a French twist and put another black claw clip in there. And any pieces that I've wanted to adjust around the face, I've just taken those and put them in with a tiny weeny little clip. Very, very, very easy. This is Hollywood from Main Attraction in the colour Butternut, as we normally see her. This is one of my all-time favourite wigs to put in an updo. This is not quite an updo, but it's definitely a style worth mentioning for those warmer days where you want to get a bit of the hair off your face. So it's really just a low pony at the back with a clip. Very simple, but very classy, very stylish. So here's Hollywood in an updo. I absolutely love this updo. It's very Brigitte Bardot. Again, really, really easy to achieve. All I've done is comb the hair back. So I've just put in one black claw clip and I've spread those fibres over the top, and a second black claw clip, and I've spread those fibres over the top of that. Very, very, very easy to do. And you can pull them down there a little bit if you're worried about the nape of the neck. But very Brigitte Bardot. But it gets that hair up off your shoulders, up off your back. It's got great bangs, and it's a really great sassy, sexy updo for summer. And if you're a little bit sensitive about the sides of the wig against your neck or the nape of the neck, don't worry. Just put on a scarf. It's so easy. If you've enjoyed this content, I have full reviews on each of these wigs on my YouTube channel. And if you like what I'm doing, put some comments down below for me. If you would like me to do some more wigs in an updo, let me know. And thanks for joining me on Julie's Wig World with these sexy, sassy wigs in an updo.